Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, I am Jimmy Sequence, and as usual, I'm here to make the video introducing the next sound system roll call, which would be on March 2nd. That's 2 weeks from now, actually. Sounds that will be on that one. First, before I get into that, I must give thanks to the sounds that actually was at the last one, which was on the 16th, last Sunday. So Delta Force, big up Martel the Mixer and Delta Force Buzzy. Enough respect, thanks for coming out and supporting the thing. New Wave, thanks for coming out, Bobby, and supporting the thing. Oneness, big respect, thanks for supporting it. Dave, Intensity, enough respect, thanks for coming out and supporting the venture. See, because we're trying to build it, and I appreciate all of the sounds that's coming out and giving us their strength. The next lineup will be Sequence Sound, Hot Stepper Sound, Braxton Movement, and Pure Vibe. See? So that's going to be a really nice one. So that's the 2nd. That's 2 weeks from now, Sunday. March 2nd, we will have Sequence, Hot Stepper, Pure Vibe, Braxton. See? So get ready for that one, because it's going to be epic. I have a few things that I want to talk about. This last event turned out really, really nice. The nicest one so far in terms of people. We had a lot of women, which is what I'm looking for. I like to see women. I want women in the place. I'm not really endorsing a dance full of men. Saying? So I like to see women. We had a nice turnout of women, and I hope it continues to grow. So I'm encouraging the men again. Bring your woman, bring your wife, bring your girlfriend. Encourage them to bring their girlfriends. See? And the sound man them, make sure you bring your girls, yo. Cause sound men showing up without no girls. If you have girls in your crew, make sure the girl them show up. There's another pressing issue. And I don't know why people are really, I don't know if people are just hypersensitive or people are just malicious. When I talk about we're trying to build this thing and we're not trying to have a whole bunch of pouches, people are taking offense to the word pouchy. I don't know why, because I feel like that's a common term. So I'll not use the word pouchy again in reference to DJs, right? What we're saying is, initially I was saying we don't want a whole bunch of guys showing up with their laptops, because it's not that type of thing. But it's not like I'm telling you not to come to the event because you can't bring your laptop. So it's like that if you can't bring your laptop, you can't come to the event. That's kind of weird. But you know, just to make this thing work and to avoid the nonsense, bring your laptop if you want to. If a sound invited to play, then you can play. You can't just come expecting to play. But if someone there that owns a sound system and know you as a DJ and respect you enough as a DJ to say, alright, come play upon my sound, then you can play on the sound. You know, it's not a big enough thing for us to fight about. We're trying to build this thing and have some kind of thing about it where it's structured a certain way. But you know, the man, I'm really complaining, and the thing I don't like, and I'm gonna say this straight up because we're grown men. If I say something on a video that you don't like, when you see me, say it to me, star. Don't go telling everybody about it. I have this man coming in my ears and this man coming in my ears and say, oh, the man they must say this and the man they must say that. Say it to me, star. If I say something on a video that you don't like, when you see me, say it to me. Tell me. I'm not, you know what I mean? It's not, I don't use any kind of malicious intent. When I say anything, I say it because we're trying to build the thing with some kind of structure. So if I say something that you don't like, that offends you in any kind of way, I'm not really trying to offend anybody. I'm just saying, we're trying to build the thing where the people that are playing are people that we know and know that can bring the vibe and are invited to play. That's all I'm saying. I mean, everybody that have a laptop is not really a good DJ. I'm sorry. I know everybody think they're the best DJs in the world, but not because you have a laptop, it doesn't mean you're a great DJ. So if a sound system owner think you're a good DJ and he wants you on his sound, you're welcome to come. You're welcome to bring your laptop, and if a sound man decide, okay, I know this man, him can play good, and he want to put it on him sound, I don't have a problem with that. So that's what we're gonna be doing moving forward. Anybody that wants to bring their laptop, bring your laptop. And again, if a sound owner know you as a DJ and know you as a DJ that can play good music, and cause some man have laptop and I don't know if they think they're great DJs, but most of them are really not great DJs. Not because you have a laptop doesn't mean you're a good DJ. So if a owner know you as a good DJ and decide that he wants you to play, I don't have no problem with that. Yeah, like I was saying, if a sound owner invite you to play, then you're welcome. I'm not really gonna fight with no man, because me and no man have no problem like that. I don't want to have any problems with nobody. I don't have any issue with anybody. I don't have anything against anyone, any DJ, any person. Again, we're trying to build a thing and we're trying to structure it a way where it can grow and become something larger. See? So yeah, as of now, if you want to bring your laptop, bring your laptop. Just if a owner decide that they know you as a DJ and want to put you in, I have no problem with that. So again, moving forward, we have the next one, which is the second sequence sound, hot stepper sound, Braxton movement, and pure vibe. See, that's Sunday the 2nd of March, and yeah, that one I think will be epic. See. Again, we get there at about 2. The sound systems get there about 2 p.m. We string up. We can't really play the music until 4 because there's a church there, and we can't play it really loud. You can test maybe your horns and tweedles, but you can't really test much of anything else. Maybe high mids until 4. 4 you can go all out. So we're gonna try to maintain that. And again, the last hour last time we didn't do the dub plate hour because I guess the sounds that was there weren't really into that. So again, the last hour is open to anyone that wants to spin just dubs, and the last hour you can play your sound hard. And we're trying to maintain balance in that we don't want to play the sounds too hard to make people uncomfortable. I say that in every video, and except for this last one, the sounds weren't really playing that hard, so we have to try to maintain that where we keep the levels at a comfortable level where people can dance and enjoy themselves without the discomfort of the bass jerking up them inside. See him? So yeah, that's it. Check out, make sure you tell your friends, man. Tell your friends to come and check out the thing, because the thing I get nice. Like me, I said, the thing I get nice. Enough girls and thing. And we want more girls. So encourage the girls to come out and encourage the men, the sound men. All of the men have our own sound. All of the girls, any girl that's in your crew, your girl, your girl's friends and whatever, make sure your people them come out too. It's not enough to just bring your sound. You need to bring your people. See? Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dank and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plate sound.